My name is Walter Chavez from DSHM 1C. I am a student in Bohol Island State University conducting a short interview about the factors that favor the growth of tourism and hospitality. Um, may I ask you a few questions about your experience as a reservation agent?
Yeah, sure.
First, could you briefly introduce yourself and tell about your job?
Hello, my name is Jennifer Tomo, a reservation agent at Ranch Hotel. My job is to assist with the reservation, answer phone calls, and also answer the client questions, and to make sure the booking experience is smooth and convenient.
Thank you. Based on your experience, what are the three factors that you think contribute most of the growth of tourism and hospitality?
For me, the three most important factors are good customer service, technology, and attractive tourist destination.
So, why is good customer service is important?
For me, good customer service is important because guests want to feel welcome and valued. If they have a good experience, they are more likely to return and recommend the hotel or destinations to others.
Next, what about technology? Why is it important?
Also, technology is one of the most important because it makes travel and reservations easier. Guests can book uh, hotels online, check available rooms, and communicate with hotels quickly. As a reservation agent, technology helps me handle uh, bookings faster and more efficiently.
And lastly, why are attractive tourist destinations important?
Tourist destinations attract visitors, beautiful places, interesting activities, and unique experiences, encourage people to travel. When more tourists visit, restaurants, transportation, and other tourism businesses also grow.
Among the three, which factor has struck you the most based on your experience and why?
Among the three factors, which is struck me most is it is the good customer service because I have seen that guests really appreciate friendly and helpful service. A positive experience can make them come back and recommend the place to their friends, relatives, and also their families.
Thank you very much for sharing your experience. Your answers will help us understand how these factors support the growth of tourism and hospitality.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ma'am Jennifer Calmo, and have a great day. Again, this is Walter C. Chavez from DSHM 1C.